Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be reviewing Just Play. So is it legit or it's a scam? So let's get right into it. Just Play is super easy to use. Download from your Play Store, no sign up is needed. It connects automatically. You get your coins for playing games. And those coins can turn into real money. Sounds simple, right? So let's get deep into its customization, design, growth and everything. So the app has a clean layout and fun game recommendations. You can track your earnings and choose which games to try. It's smooth, responsive, and doesn't overwhelm you with ads like many others do. It's not really about SEO, but can you grow your earnings? Kinda, the more you spend, the more you earn. But there's a limit. It's not a full-time income, just small cash and casual cash. So if you talk about pricing and monetization, here's the truth. Just Play pays. You can cash out daily via PayPal or gift cards. Most users earns between $0.10 to $1 per day. No fees, no tricks, but again, don't expect big bucks. It's pocket change for your playtime. So yes, it really pays and users get their money. But is it a game changer? No. It's just perfect if you already enjoy your mobile games and want to earn a little cash on extra. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.